Hi everybody, welcome back to Garden and Grub. My name's Mariana. Welcome if you're new here. So today's video is a little bit different. It's kind of in the same theme of things as the Panzerotti video. I'm going to showcase some family traditions till the New Year's begins. And the video you're about to see is my family making cartellate, which is a traditional Pulian recipe. So if you look at Italy, the heel part, that's where we're from. And cartellate, a special type of cookie, is traditionally served at Christmas time. It takes a lot of patience and a lot of work to make it, and we always do it all together. So in the video, you're going to see a little bit of family chaos because we are all together. I got my nieces and nephews, my kids, my brother-in-laws, my sister, my parents were all together making these cookies. So it's not really a recipe play-by-play. You're invited to our cookie making day, our traditional cookie making day. It's quite noisy. We've got kids in the background that are doing karaoke, adults having conversation, me and my sisters and my mom making the cookies. My dad's watching soccer on his tablet. So there's a lot happening, so it will be quite noisy. I am going to mute it in some sections just for the background noise. But I do hope you enjoy and welcome. If you have any Christmas cookie traditions, please put them in the comments below. Sorry, not even cookie traditions, but even just things that you do during the holidays that are special to you. This is one of the special times for us, and I'm glad to have you come along and bake with us today. See you in a bit.
So this is what it looks like all done. These are called cartellate, and they're the hallmark of Pulian cuisine. But there's variations similar to this found in other regions like Calabria and the Basilicata. But however, the Pulian version is the most famous due to its glaze. They are a very thin fried pastry that you pinch together and form rosettes. Every little part of the dough is used. My mom's using here the scraps, and we make something called chiacchiere with the scraps because we want to use all the parts. There's my sister there. She's making the rosettes. My other sister here. So you pinch and you twist and you pinch and you twist until, when you see on the right, see those rosettes there, until they look like that. Now, cartellate can be stored for weeks if you put them in an airtight container because of their crispy texture and that sticky glaze, and makes them a long-lasting treat and perfect for the holiday feasts that extends for a few days. It's funny, as a child, I disliked this day so much because it was so much work. But as I get older, I learned to appreciate the time spent with loved ones, and I really do now look forward to days where we're all together and doing things as a family. What are you making, Mom?
Cartellate. It's an Italian tradition. And my husband says it's not Christmas if he doesn't have these cookies. Oh no, I'm just making some bowls. We call them chiacchiere.
Now, most kids actually don't like these cookies. I think because the fig syrup is quite strong. I didn't even like them when I was a child either, but as your palate changes as you get older, and you kind of acquire a taste for it. So now I do look forward to it. It's only one time of year that we do eat these. The kids really like the honey and the powdered sugar version. This is the dough. It's very soft.
4 cups of flour.
Okay, wait, you could read the recipe. Recipe.
4 cups of flour. 1 1/4 cup of white wine warmed with orange peels on the stove. 3/4 cups of oil and a teaspoon of salt. And you just beat it up until you make your dough.
And then you put it in the fridge or no?
Put it in the fridge for at least an hour.
Okay. Next up, we're making something called petue, or that's how my parents pronounced it. I'm not sure what the proper Italian is for it. It's more of a dialect pronunciation that they say. But it's basically, you'll see in a bit, it's a sweet or ravioli. It's the same dough as the chiacchiere and the cartellate, but inside there is a filling of ricotta cheese, sugar, and limoncello, and then it's sealed like a ravioli, and then it's fried, and then it's dipped either in the fig syrup or the honey syrup. And we've got Remy here, always Mr. Nosy Parker, always wants to see what we're up to. There's actually 2 dogs here today, but Remy is the nosy one.
Then you wet it a little bit here so it'll stick. And then fold it. What? No, I want to do squares. After you could do the squares. Go like this. It'll stick better. So
I'm listening to Teresa. Chew. Put a little bit here. You fold this over and then you cut it. Yeah, but make sure you want to get it around. Or you have to use 2 different. Wait. What you could do is just use 2 pieces. Put it like a ravioli.
Maybe you're just waiting.
Do all that. Do all that
first.
I want to see. Yeah, that's what I was gonna do.
Put a space between them.
Chaos in the kitchen.
Okay. No, it's a wet dough.
It's a good dough.
Probably do one more. You probably get one more in.
Yeah, but I think this is not long enough. Let me just check.
I'm so happy all of you can be here to watch our Christmas traditions. The holidays are very important family time for us, and we do a lot of things together. It's so lovely to have you all here with us today, joining in on our family traditions and being part of it as well. So what did we put in this?
We put 300 grams of ricotta,
Yeah.
4 tablespoons of icing sugar, and then 2 teaspoons of lemon jello. You can use vanilla or you can use any liqueur that you like. And some lemon zest. And then I put it in here so the liquid would drain because it drains it, so it won't wet the dough. Very tasty. And we dip them in honey or fig syrup.
Or we can do what?
Flour, you can just put powdered sugar, or you can dip them in honey with some water and some lemon zest and sugar, and you put it on the stove and warm it up, and you dip them in there, or you can use fig syrup.
Look at Remy. He's just so interested in what we're doing, watching us every step. So now we fry them until they're golden brown, and the pastry becomes this very airy and lightly crisp dough. I don't know how to explain its texture, but it's super light and super flaky and airy.
Cute.
The world is like, see, that's
Silly boy!
there's something else to fight. It's really good. I like it.
Light, crispy, very light. Crisp.
They didn't open.
No, they're doing okay. Cut the dad with this
There's
one.
26 photos.
It's nice and soft.
So you might see one where
So this is the fig syrup that they will use. It's a reduced fig syrup. I remember when I was younger, they used to get the dried figs and boil it, and they would have to squeeze. My dad would be squeezing out the syrup. I remember. Now they make it, so it's more convenient.
Well, they use actually fresh
Nikki, you're right.
figs from the tree.
No, but they use wine too. You can use wine.
They have vino coco.
Yeah, so you would cook down the wine until it's like a syrup.
Is Callie's dough too soft for the cut to dad though?
Yeah.
Ah.
See, what we were supposed to do with the young...
Dad's lucky.
My
It's too
dough,
soft
Yeah,
for cut to dad,
but it was good for
but it was
the,
good for the pig.
for the face.
Yeah.
Why are they two different
soft.
recipes?
Yeah,
No.
Daddy made one dough and you
No,
did
the same recipe, but
Just
I
different
rolled
people.
one and Dad rolled one.
Oh.
So this is mine?
Yeah, but
Yours
that's
is it cut to dad one? Mine.
that's why you
Mine
made a
is-
Not
mistake.
yet.
You put the oil first before
Oh.
that, so we had to put a little bit more flour. That's why it came out.
So these we're just getting strips.
No, but this is the first one. It's talking about. It's okay.
The only thing we should have rolled
We're
them
doing color by side.
as we took it out of the machine. We should have rolled it right away instead
they
of letting them
twist.
sit.
Twist.
Okay.
What's all those little things in the middle?
Okay, who's opening this bottle?
Louis.
Louis, open this bottle.
We need somebody strong.
Why don't you say me? Because I'm not strong.
He's got young-
That's on,
No, you gotta
that's
take
on
the paper
camera.
off first.
Young.
I-
We need youth
I
strength.
choose
I
not
have
to.
the knife to cut the paper.
Oh, those are calculus strips?
Yes. The only rule is when you're eating them, you have to kyak.
Kakra.
So you have to dish the gossip.
So what I got,
You guys don't have any problems with that. That's natural.
That's why it's part of our heritage.
That's the purpose.
Yeah, he's got useful teeth.
We're not called the peanut galleries for nothing.
There you go.
Oh, you don't need it. No, I thought it was the correct.
There, it's open.
You have to squeak.
Some fig syrup.
No, I don't want fixed syrup.
I'm older. I actually like it.
I actually like it.
Very thick.
You have to keep it warm.
Prefer the fig over the wine.
Yes, me too.
I don't like
Grandmother
them.
used to do it for wine.
I also like the honey, orange honey
Buy it.
one.
We're gonna
We're
get
gonna
a
do
little
it. Buy, you have to make it.
just a little bit.
No one ever thought about putting them in a crock pot?
I know. Or maybe there was no crock pots then.
I don't.
Very good. Very good.
Why don't you put those in the air fryer?
Stop eating them.
Really good.
With the lemon jello?
Okay, what's the other one? Can I have the other one?
It's good.
You could just
There's no icing sugar on them yet.
Is it
Okay,
good?
let me just taste it.
Superb. Superb.
Can I have a
you
plain
can
one?
put icing sugar on the paper if you want.
No, use that
No.
for the honey.
No, the plain one. I need the plain one. I don't like the
Oh.
stuffed one.
No,
It's good.
No. I want to have the syrup.
Let me try the plain
Yeah,
one.
Daddy's
Let me
gonna
taste
dip right
that.
now.
Kelly, throw one over, Kelly.
This one's
Oh, he's gonna dip. He's gonna dip. Good?
Tell you what's good. Give me
Where?
1 second. It's coming.
Oh.
This is what's coming. This is what's good. Look at that.
This is taste Christmas.
Now it tastes like Christmas. Where's the little, do you have a little kid?
Good?
As the old man said.
Bring the convenience.
yeah.
Good.
Okay, here, you stay here.
Good job,
Bring
ladies.
the convenience for the.
Some we could do flour sugar too.
Ooh, hot, hot, hot.
Yeah, some of them just came out.
And the rest we'll do with honey. There we go. Put those carpet down in. This is the
I think you need some water too.
Yeah. I'll put some in the thing and squeeze it.
Where's the little dish for the tissue paper? Okay.
Oh, what's a sucky pants?
And then we need a little
Ice
bit
cream
of
sucky pants.
sugar. You have to put some sugar. What happened to it? Mr. Bear.
There's your peach baby.
So you have to bring it to a boil and then simmer it until it turns into a syrup. Do you have a cinnamon stick? Oh, cinnamon stick, yes.
No, I don't. I have cinnamon, but not.
Here we're just decorating the cartellate with some sprinkles. You can use coconut or chopped nuts or chocolate chips, but our family always did sprinkles.
Do you have a plate for the paint?
These are the ricotta stuffed ones, and here we're just drizzling and coating them with the honey orange syrup.
Each piece, that's what it is that's the, you have three of these.
Wait, so the plain one is... These are honey over here. That's a choice. What?
So good. You like this?
No, she said I wasn't expecting to cut the inside.
You're a little bit surprised.
Nadia says they're so good, and Connie says it's a choice.
No, the choice.
We make kyakere with the scraps. Waste not, want not.
Were we eating them?
Pie pastry with powdered sugar.
Those ones go with
Taste testing.
the big one's a choice.
Merry Christmas from us to you. Merry Christmas.
So I'm glad that you participated and you got to spend time with me and my family making cartellate cookies. And I really do hope you all have a wonderful Christmas holiday season. Sending you love and hugs all the way from Canada to wherever you are in the world. May you all be blessed this holiday season. Bye for now.